Dividing mixed numbers. Don't forget, if we have 4 and 2 over 7, this is a mixed number here, and we want to turn it into an improper fraction. So first, we will multiply the 7 and the 4, so 7 times 4 is 28. Then add this 28 with the 2, so it's 28 plus 2, so it will be 30. So 30 here will be our new numerator, so it will be 30 over 7. Okay, let's take another example. Let's say we have 1 and 5 over 6, so we'll multiply the 6 and the 1, so 6 times 1 is 6, then add the 6 with 5, so 6 plus 5 is 11. So the result will be 11 over 6. Okay, exercise 1. Let's say we have 1 and 3 over 4, divide 2 and 1 over 2. So first, let's turn this 2 into an improper fractions. So here 4 times 1, it will be 4, then add it with 3, so 4 plus 3 is 7, so it will be equal to 7 over 4. Then here 2 times 2, it will be 4, then add the 4 with the 1, so it will be 5. So this one will be 5 over 2. Okay, you remember what do we do when we see the divide? Yes, we flip them. So it's 7 over 4 times 2 over 5, so 7 times 2 over 4 times 5, so it's 14 over 20. Can we simplify them? Yes, divide both the numerator and the denominator by 2, so it's 7 over 10. We could have simplified it in here, like take 2 here and 2 from the 4, so it's 7 over 10, 2 times 5 is 10, but it's okay to do it at the end, no problem. Okay, exercise 2. Let's say we have 3 and 4 over 5, divide 5 and 3 over 4. Okay, first let's turn this into an improper fraction, so 5 times 3 is 15, and 15 plus 4, it will be 19, so it's 19 over 5. Then this one here, 4 times 5, it's 20, then 20 plus 3 is 23, so it's 23 over 4. Okay, remember what do we do when we see the divide sign here? Yes, flip them. So 19 times 4 over 5 times 23. Okay, so it will be 76 over 115. Okay, exercise 3. 7 over 8, let's take a fraction now. It will be a normal fraction here. Divide the improper fraction. So let's turn this, mixed number, divide the mixed number. So let's turn this into an improper fraction. So 8 times 2, it will be 16, then 16 plus 3, it will be 19. So it's 19 over 8. Okay, let's flip them. Yes, after we flip them, let's multiply them. So it's 7 times 8 over 8 times 19. Cancel the two 8's together, so we have 7 over 19. Okay, exercise 4. Let's say we have 2, divide 1 and 2 over 5. Okay, 2 here it's the same as 2 over 1. So it's 2 divide 1 and 2 over 5. Let's change this mixed number into an improper fraction. So here 5 times 1 it will be 5, then 5 plus 2 it will be 7. So it's divide 2, 7 over 5. So let's flip them. So 2 times 5 over 1 times 7. So it will be 10 over 7. Okay, now this is an improper fraction. Let's change it into a mixed number, or let's simplify it. So we have 10 here and the 7 here. So it's 10 divided 7. Okay, first, remember our steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and repeat. Then first, we'll ask ourselves, how many 7's is in 1? Or 1 divided 7 can be, because 1 is smaller than 7, so add 0 here. Then ask ourselves, how many 7 is in 10? Or 10 divided 7. Actually, there is only one 7 here, so write 1 here. Then is the division, then is the multiplication. 7 times 1, it will be 7. Then the subtraction, so 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay, now we're done because 3 is smaller than 7. So here, this will be our whole number. And remember, this will be our denominator. And this will be our numerator. Okay, exercise 5. Now we have 6 and 2 over 7 divide 1 over 3. Okay, let's turn this mixed number into an improper fraction first. So 7 times 6, it will be 42. Then 42 plus 2, it's 44. Okay, so it's 44 over 7 divide 1 over 3. What are you going to do now? Yes, flip them. So it's 44 times 3 over 1. So it's 44 times 3 over 7 times 1. So it's going to be 132 over 7. Improper fraction here. Okay, so let's divide them. 132 divided 7. And first we'll ask ourselves 1 divided 7, but no, before that, remember our steps: divide, multiply, and subtract. Repeat. Then 1 divided 7 can be because 7 is greater than 1, so add 0 here. So 13 divided 7, it can be because there is one 7 in there. So if we ask ourselves how many 7 is in 13, there is only place for one 7 here, so write 1 here. Then go to the multiplication. 7 times 1 is 7, then subtract. 13 minus 7, it will be 6. Take down the 2, so it's 62 here. Okay, then we remember divide, multiply, subtract, and repeat. Divide. Okay, 62 divided 7, or how many 7s is in 62? The answer is 8. Then multiply them. 7 times 8 is 56. Then here subtract them. It will be 6. Okay, so the 18 here will be our whole number, and the 7 here will be our denominator, and the 6 here will be our numerator. Okay, exercise 6. 3 and 1 over 4 divide 5. Now let's turn this 3 and 1 over 4 into an improper fraction, but first, you know that 5 is the same as 5 over 1. Okay, let's turn this now. So 4 times 3, it will be 12. Then add the result with 1. 12 plus 1, it's 13. Then divide them. So you have 13 over 4. Divide 5 over 1. Flip them. Oops. Yes. So 13 over 4 times 1 over 5. So we have 13 times 1 over 4 times 5. So it will be 13 over 20. Okay, I think this is the last exercise here. Exercise 7. Now we have 8 and 1 over 2. Divide 7 and 2 over 3. Okay, multiply them. So 8 times 2 times 8 is 16. Then add them. 16 plus 1 is 17. Remember, here we are turning this mixed number into an improper fraction. So here it's 17 over 2. Then let's turn this one. So 3 times 7, it's 21, plus 2, it's 23. So it's divide 23 over 3. Then flip those. So it's 17 over 2 times 3 over 23. So we have 17 times 3 over 2 times 23. So the answer is 51 over 46. But 51 here is greater than 46. So this is an improper fraction. So let's simplify it. Okay, so 51 here and 46 here. Okay, and let's make like table 46. Okay, but you don't have to do it. It's only we can use maximum the first two. So 46 times 1 and 46 times 2. That's it. No, it's 51 is not that much greater than 46, you know. Then let's start. 5 divided 46, can it be? No, because 46 is greater than 5. So 51 divided 46, or how many 46 is in 51? So there is only place for one 46 here. So write 1 here, then multiply them. 46 times 1 is 46. Then subtract them. 51 minus 46, it will be 5. That's it. So take the 1 here, it will be our whole number. And the 46, it will be our denominator. And 5 will be our numerator. That's it for today, and this part is just for fun.